How to install watch faces on your Garmin Forerunner 265. Welcome to another Garmin Forerunner 265 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install third-party watch faces from the Garmin Connect IQ store. So if you want to be able to install third-party watch faces that display more data or have really cool, unique looks, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is actually go to our phone, open up your respective app store, and download and install the Connect IQ store. This is an official Garmin app, and it's the store where we can download third-party watch faces. Go ahead and open up the app. Then when you get in the app, go down to My Devices, then select the three dots in the top right, and select Device. Now you just want to make sure you have the Forerunner 265 selected, and then go back to IQ Store. So in here, we can see all different apps, music, watch faces, all different types of things that we can install on our Garmin Forerunner 265. The best way to find watch faces is to select Search in the bottom menu, then select Watch Faces in the top. And now you can see all the popular watch faces that are compatible with the Forerunner 265. You can sort up here by recent, rating, relevant, all those. And then you can also search for different watch faces. Once you find a watch face you want to install on your Forerunner 265, simply select it. And then all you need to do is select Install. And then you'll need to allow the watch to have certain permissions in order to work. So select Allow whenever you're ready. Now, once you see Install queued, all we need to do is go back and then simply select My Device down in the bottom right. From here, what I recommend doing to kind of make this go quicker is to manually sync your watch with your phone. And you could do that by holding down the light button just for a second or two to open the control menu. Then navigate over to Sync, select that with Start or Stop. So now make sure it's syncing Bluetooth. And there you go. The watch face was very quickly installed to my watch. And once it's installed, it'll automatically become your watch face. Once you have a watch face installed on your Forerunner 265, some of the watch faces can be customized further in their settings. So there's actually two ways to access those settings. First, within the Garmin Connect IQ store. When you get to the store, just go to My Device, then select My Watch Faces, then select the watch face you want to edit, and then select Settings. From there, you can scroll and see all the different settings that you can change. They're very customizable. Whenever you make the change, select Save in the top, and then that will be reflected on your watch the next time it syncs. Additionally, some of these watch faces can be customized on your watch. And to do that, all you would need to do is hold the up button from the home screen, then select Watch Face, then select the watch face that you want to customize, and go down to Customize. From there, there's different options. They won't be as in-depth as they will be on the actual Connect IQ store on your phone, but you can make some settings changes directly on the watch. All right, so that's how you install third-party watch faces on your Garmin Forerunner 265. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Forerunner 265 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Smartwatch Tutorials, for more smartwatch tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.